Snow?
No, no.
Snow.
Foggy.
Fog. Today what?
Ekadashi.
What that means?
It's our festival, the Hindus.
Why need to take a bath there?
Because today was last day of Tihar and everybody was celebrate. Like they would go in river. They would just pray.
Okay, like that. Pray and put the food in the river.
It's not food. They
What's that?
put some candles and flower.
Ah. It's like that. So many. That's the river.
That you have to learn also because you need to do